Hi, I'm Almadum Isejuan. Let's proceed our discussion about hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are organic compounds that consist exclusively of carbon and hydrogen atoms. The properties of hydrocarbons depend on the type of bonds between carbon atoms, single, double, or triple. Alkane saturated hydrocarbons. In alkane unsaturated hydrocarbons, let's proceed to the alkane saturated hydrocarbons. They have a general formula of CnH2n plus 2. Alkanes are hydrocarbons containing only single bonds between carbon atoms. Alkanes are reliability at unreactive due to the stability of the CC and CH sigma bonds. Example: methane CH4, ethane C2H6, and propane C3H8. Uses: fuels, natural gas, gasoline, lubricants, and solvents. Let's proceed to alkane are hydrocarbon containing at least n carbon-carbon double bond and 1 bond 2 bond. They have a general formula of CnH2n. Alkanes are more reactive than alkenes because of the presence of the 2 bond, which is easier to break. Example: ethane C2H4 and propane C3H6. Go. Production of plastic: polyethylene, polypropylene, chemical synthesis.